the trigger. You brought me to obstructive view. When you know the picture was bigger. Who was the kidding? But from the beginning, you ruin everything, every time. You are no friend of mine, motherfucker.
Alright, so I am almost done. I'm just trying to make sure that I have everything ready. I have my earrings, my necklace. I do need some rings. Got these rings recently from a vintage store. I'm gonna be wearing, I think I'm gonna wear my new shoes that I got recently. Maybe, we'll see what it looks like. It's the Yeezy one. Got it from my sister. Shout out to my sister for always, you know, hooking me up. She's definitely like the plug when it comes to like, you know, shoes. If you guys are wondering where I normally get my shoes, it's either from the store or from her. So shout out to her. All right, it's 8:21 right now. I'm about to shoot. I normally, you know, like the latest I can post is like 10. So let's get this done. Sorry, my bed is like completely messy right now. My boyfriend just woke up, so let me just perfume that I'm using. I definitely need to get more because it's running out. And yeah, this is what outfit looks like in my makeup, you know, my everyday makeup. Alright, so let's see. How do you like this? It's nice. Or should I wear my off-white? I feel like off-white, huh?
Yeah.
Here she is, off-white and my Yeezy, but I think I'm gonna go with the off-white.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's fine right by. I'm outside.
I finally finished posting the picture. I already have it on my Instagram. I will show you guys exactly what it looks like. Right now I'm just putting on my second outfit so we can shoot it. So the light will change like around 12:30. It's 10:12 right now, so we have plenty of time. We have 2 hours to get it done. I'll show you what the picture looks like. There was like 124 photos I edited, and yeah, everything looked good. And this is basically what she looks like. Okay. Amazing, amazing. But anyways, my boyfriend got me this shirt. He surprised me with this shirt. He knows that I love Bulls. Anything that Chicago Bulls, I'll take it. It's my favorite team. And also, I'm a Bull. Like, that's my sign. So it just makes sense. And you know how much I love the color red. So it all makes sense. So I'm just trying to figure out what pants to wear. Since it has like a little brown, I was thinking of wearing this, but I feel like it's kind of throwing it off. So I'm gonna try this one out. This one is a utility pants that I got from the flea market. I think this looks a lot better. And then for the shoes, I'm thinking of using my Breads. I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know what this is. I don't know how that happened, but I'm really mad right now. I don't know how that happened. I'm heartbroken right now. So I was thinking, yeah, I think this looks nice because this is doing too much. It's a lot of things going on here, and I feel like the pants kind of balance everything out with the shoes. So it makes sense because this has a little gray. There's a little gray hint right there from the black. So yeah, here's the fit. I will show you guys what my next outfit looks like, but yeah, we have plenty of backgrounds to play around the area, so we will see how that looks. Oh, by the way, we have guests in the house. My sister-in-law, they're over here sleeping over because we're actually gonna go to horror nights with them, so I'm really excited for tonight. They went to sleep pretty late last night, so they're still slumped. It's already 10, but yeah, they're right there. Baby, do you want to see?
Nah.
Really?
You like it?
I like it because the shoes has gray too.
Yeah.
Hi baby, how you feeling?
I'm feeling blessed and good,
Yeah.
but you know, I'm stugging it through this headache that I woke up with. Chrissy woke me up hella early this morning, so I can get my full rest.
Uh-huh.
Should have went to sleep earlier.
Sorry baby.
It's okay.
We are at the row in downtown LA. We are gonna shoot around this area. This is actually perfect with this background. I just realized that. But yeah guys, we are gonna be shooting these two outfits that I have with me just because I'm wearing red and I don't want to be seen by gangsters, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to feel like I'm about to get jumped. And it's a lot safer to shoot out here more than like anywhere else in LA just because, you know, no one's gonna bother you here. There's actually securities going around. They won't even like let you have like a tripod or anything like that. They like to be low-key. They're a little bit strict on taking pictures, but there's a lot of influencers that use this background. We are out of the car now. We are just location scouting the area real quick, finding the good lighting too. So also we are interested to know what is going on because the road is closed and this is our first time. What are the odds? Hold on. What are the odds of seeing 7-7 right now? Big sign that says 7-7 right there. Oh, it's actually nice to shoot right here. Oh, there's nothing going on here. Oh.
Farmers market type.
Yeah, I think I might want to shoot here. Let's do it. I'm about to shoot right here, but I don't want to leave my camera on the floor just because people are going in and out here. So I'm just gonna shoot here real quick and show you guys exactly what it looks like. If not, you guys might get a little bit of, you know, far away shots so you guys know exactly what we're doing, right baby?
That's right.
Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's fine right by.
We are changing the plans. We are gonna move somewhere else again just because there's hella cars going back and forth. It's kind of messing up our whole entire shoot. God said it's not over, so we're gonna be here shooting here. So let's go. Are you down? This is always a struggle.
Motherfucking right, I'm lit up. Motherfucking right, I'm triggered. Motherfucking right, I'm tryna let the time fly. Tryna let the time go by. Tryna let the time heal all. Tryna let the time kill all of our memories. All you meant to me. All that history. All that's history. I'll calm down eventually. Calm down. Calm down eventually. Calm down.
I was shooting that.
I'm not gonna lie, that was a little stressful in the heat of the moment.
Yeah.
But we pulled it together and said, you know what? We need to stop overthinking and just do it. Should
Yeah.
we take the stairs up?
Stairs.
Oh, let's go this way because the elevator's on that
Elevator, please. I cannot afford any sweat right now. It is hot today.
side. It is.
Yeah. It's cool. I wish I was able to talk to those people. Why didn't say hi? Guys, if you guys ever meet me in real life, don't be shy. Just come say hi. Like, I'm not a stranger. I won't judge you. Just come say hi. I would love to give you a big hug. Right, baby?
That's absolutely right.
Alright guys, I'm about to change in the car. I missed this.
With their shoes?
No, I'm fine. I haven't done this in a while. I'm about to change in here. I miss shooting outside. I've been shooting indoor for a while. at my apartment. Now I am out. I actually enjoy changing in the car because I always have something to say in the car. I get a lot of questions about like the clothes that I get. Do I normally take the tag off? I normally don't, just because, you know, I want them to look fresh. I don't know. Unless I really want it and I'm gonna be using the outfit, the clothes in general, many times, then yeah. But most of the time I only wear it for a photo shoot, and then I end up giving it to my niece because I have plenty of clothes that I normally get every week, so it's like I have no spot or space for that. And also, if she doesn't like them, I just end up donating them. I go to the thrift stores and just donate them there, and yeah, give it to my family members. So yeah, just in case if you guys are wondering. All right guys, I'm dressed and I'm about to shoot. I think this is gonna be dope, this location. Did they move the bench? Am I tripping? What? But they took it out, no? Oh, I can move? So should we move it? Sorry guys, we're planning. Maybe use that one and move it. I saw it, but it's right here. Sorry guys, we're trying to figure out this location. And we got confused because like the bench used to be right here. So here's the bench I'm talking about. It used to be like right here. So we're gonna move it real quick. Yeah, it's heavy. Alright. Oh my god, okay. Let's go. He already moved the bench for me. So I'm gonna shoot right here. I'll show you guys what this thing look like. And that is how you end the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram at Mscrisssy if you guys want to see more fashion looks. Bye guys, bye.